We are off to a cloudy start here in the Delta, but also some of us not seeing too much rain. Some of us, on the other hand, already seen a few inches of rain since midnight. The heaviest activity still going on along Interstate 55. That's where we are seeing those flash flood warnings in place still. That's all the way up from Grenada County on down to Holmes County and extending over into part of LaFleur County and over into Montgomery County. So that's what we're looking at right now on radar with the heaviest activity, kind of around the center of circulation of what used to be Tropical Storm Gordon. All that activity remaining pretty light, not really seeing too much activity close to the river where the center of that circulation is. We are going to continue to see that rain move on that northwesterly kind of curved track though on in the parts of Coahoma County, northern Sunflower County, and even extending down in the part of Bolivar County. So that's where the heaviest of the activity will remain as we go throughout the rest of today. That's also why we're seeing that green area out in advance of that. So every county highlighted in this neon green color under a flash flood watch until 7 o'clock this evening. That means conditions are favorable for flash flooding. So if you do come up to any flooded roadways, definitely a better and safer idea to turn around and find a different way, because you never know how deep that water is going to be on those flooded roadways. Here in Greenville, we're at 74. Winds are coming out of the south at 6 miles an hour. Over in Greenwood, just a degree higher at 75 in Greenwood. A little bit windier conditions this morning though. Winds coming out of the southeast at 10 miles an hour. Here's a wider look at some of the other numbers across the area. We have mid to upper 70s north of here. We're at 75 in Clarksdale, 77 in Batesville. It's 76 down in Jackson. Just a degree lower for Vicksburg this morning at 75. So this right here is our Futurecast view, and this is, you can kind of see where the center of tropical depression now Gordon is, but that's basically just a little bit west of the Mississippi River. That's going to continue to move off a little bit farther toward the northwest, and as it does, some of these training bands behind the center of circulation, that's where we're seeing the heaviest activity right now, and that's what's going to bring us the heavier activity throughout the rest of the day. Futurecast is keeping most of that lined up along Interstate 55, so it is possible that areas back further east, closer to Interstate 55, could see a couple more inches of rain throughout the day. That's definitely where the heaviest of the rainfall will stay. We're also going to be looking at between 1 to 3 inches of rain possible for today total in our northernmost counties. That's going to be in Coahoma County, part of Quitman County, and down into northern Sunflower County, and maybe into parts of Bolivar County. So that's where the heaviest activity will remain throughout the day. And then tonight, that rain chance will be staying with us. We are still going to keep the chance for some showers tonight and for tomorrow morning. And then as we begin to warm up tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see some more showers, even some thunderstorms begin to fire off for Friday afternoon. So we are expecting a rainy day today and another rainy day across the Delta for tomorrow. Temperatures for the rest of the day will be in the low to mid 80s, around 81 at noon. We'll be around 83 at 2 o'clock and only 85 for the high temperature today at 4 o'clock. Then later on tonight, temperatures will drop back down into the low 70s, going with 72 for our low tonight under mostly cloudy skies. Showers will remain possible for tonight, keeping the winds out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Then tomorrow, temperatures will jump up just a little bit, upper 80s expected, 89 for the high, mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms will be possible again throughout the day tomorrow. Winds out of the south-southeast, 5 to 10 miles an hour. Here's your 7-day forecast. The rain chance sticking with us for the weekend. High temperatures mid to upper 80s this weekend. And then very early next week, we'll have a cold front move through. That's going to bring us another round of showers and thunderstorms. Also hold our temperatures in the mid and upper 80s for the beginning and middle of next week.